Hi, welcome to KV's Plants and Orchids. This is my Dewey plant, also is in bloom now. So I thought I will show you. Actually you are seeing, I will show you. These are the Dewey flowers. Dewey flowers comes in bunches. This is the Mangalore jasmine which you are seeing. There is difference. See, this is the Mangalore jasmine. This is the Dewey flowers. Actually now both of them are, many are in bloom, but the Dewey started blooming only now. See, Dewey blooms will be like this. It's also a vine, it's a flowering vine. It flowers in the summer season. See, lot of flowers are there. Both these plants are together, no? So we do. One started flowering little bit early. That time I put this is the Dewey flower which you are seeing. But this one has a longer stalk than the ordinary ones. This I have brought from Trivandrum actually. The one which we get in Bombay has a little bit short stalks. This much long stalks won't be there. These are little bit long. Because of the cyclone, actually the plant is like intertwined with this and that. So even the flowers have gone inside the branches. Because see, some of them are broken. If I take it out, then I will spoil some of the other branches. So I am not doing anything till the blooming is over. I am not touching the plant. Actually, Dewey is also a variety of jasmine. So you can give fertilizer just after pruning them. So you can prune them like in here we can prune them where there is not much winter season over here. So at that time you can prune them and give fertilizer so that by the time summer comes it gets all the nutrients and it will start flowering. Actually this I am taking in the evening time, 5 o'clock, and now I will just, after taking the video, I will just plug the buds and tie them and keep it, because tomorrow morning it will be difficult for me to pluck the flowers. Like some are here which was yesterday's flower, somehow I haven't seen. So this is about the fertilization. There is one small bird sitting. That is my hibiscus, white hibiscus. I don't know which bird it is. It flew. Lot of birds are there. So we were talking about the fertilization. I have planted this in ground. So I fertilize with this year I got some sheep dung. I gave the sheep dung only. So previous years I used to give cow dung fertilizer. The plant has gone little bit big now. So this is the east side of my garden. So there is a lot of sunlight for it. Sunlight is very much needed. If there is no sunlight, it won't flower, because there is another plant which is on the other side of the garden. It has not started flowering. There is lot of leaves only. So for this plant to flower, it needs full day direct sunlight. No sunlight, no direct sunlight, it won't flower at all. And pest attack is there. When pest attack comes, I used to spray neem oil. Otherwise, I don't have to do much for this plant. Now that it has grown big, see, actually it is nearby my compound wall, so it just leans on the compound wall and grows. I haven't given it any other support. So here you see both Dewey and the Mangalapuram jasmine. You can see the difference. Dewey is like round, the Mangalapuram jasmine is little bit conical shape. That Mangalapuram jasmine started blooming sometime early, but now also they are blooming, and the difference is they come in like this, like the most you will get 5 flowers only, but this Juhi will be like this. You have many flowers. Oh, where are they? I'll show you. See, so you get bunches of flowers like Madhumaldi, no? It blooms like Madhumaldi. Many flowers are there. You can see. So this is one bunch. Like this is another bunch. Like this, many bunches are there. This is all about my Juhi plant. Of course, I will, once I collect the buds, I will show you. So today I collected this many buds. Some of them I can't take, but this much I have got. So I'll just make a garland out of it. So I just want to show how much bud I got today. If you like the video, press the like button. If you are a first time viewer, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.